In a village, there lived an honest and hard-working farmer named Ramu. Over the years, he saved little by little through farming and managed to gather his life savings. But his savings were not just money, they held his hopes, his future, everything. One day, Ramu thought of using the money to either buy some land or good quality seeds. But the village landlord, Raghu Seth, said to him, Ramu, keep your money with me. I'll keep it safe. Take it back whenever you need it. Ramu thought, he's a landlord, a big man, he wouldn't lie. So, he handed over his entire savings to Raghu Seth, without any written proof, only based on trust. A few months later, when Ramu needed the money, he went to Raghu Seth. But Seth looked him in the eye and said, What money? I never took anything from you. Ramu was shocked. He pleaded, cried, begged, but Seth denied everything. In the end, Ramu went to Emperor Akbar's court. The emperor listened to him and handed over the matter to Birbal. Birbal listened to both sides. Seth said, I never took anything. Ramu said, I gave him my money. Birbal began thinking, who is telling the truth? There was no written proof, no witness. Then Birbal asked Ramu, when you gave the money, where did you meet him? Ramu replied, in Sethji's courtyard, under the banyan tree. Birbal immediately said to his guard, Go and ask that tree if it saw the money being given. Seth laughed. Trees don't talk, Birbal ji. Birbal smiled. That's exactly what we want to see. Maybe this tree heard everything. Then Birbal said to Ramu, You go too, with the guard, until he returns. As Ramu and the guard left, Birbal casually asked Raghu Seth, How far is that tree? Without thinking, Seth replied, Not too far, about half a course. If you had never taken the money, how would you know how far the tree is? You said you never went there to take the money. So when did you go near the tree? Seth's lie was exposed. His face turned pale. Seth admitted that he had taken the money but denied it out of greed. Akbar, angry, ordered him, return the farmer's money immediately, and as punishment, also help the poor people of the village. Ramu got his savings back, and along with it, a lesson was taught to everyone, that lies can never stay hidden, and no one can escape Birbal's wisdom. Moral: whoever lies, their truth is revealed sooner or later. And the one who stays patient with honesty always receives justice. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for more motivation.